Morning everyone. So I thought of doing a early morning video before my client comes in. So today I have a client. She's about 60 plus, so I'm going to try this retinol 0.5 on her and see whether it works on her. But because I'm so amazed by the results, so I can't wait to share with you, right? Okay, so today, right, I promise some of my clients and my girls that I will teach them how to do step by step using the retinol 0.5. So if you're here, say hi to me, alright? So I have some questions from my customer yesterday. So let me bring out her questions. Okay. I am so excited. Okay. So first thing first, how long can the products last? So you have to use this retinol 0.5 within 6 months. Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. You can also use it on your neck, on your hand, okay, and then this part, because this part, right, also age very easily, especially if you go tanning. All right, so you can also use it at your décolleté. All right, so first thing first, once a week, then followed by twice a week. Okay, so I'm going to teach you the proper steps to using this. All right, so you need 1 pump the first and second week, this one. Okay, it actually comes with 3 pieces of paper when you actually buy this one set. Okay, so first thing first, you got this tracker time, this one. So first 2 weeks, once a week only. Okay, that week, right, that you use this one, you cannot use any treatments, you cannot use any serum, you cannot use any gel mask or exfoliation. All right, you cannot. Okay, so that week, right, you can only do this one, right, once a week. But every day use this one, moisturizer with the facial milk, plus sunscreen for day, and at night just use this one, and then you go and sleep. Okay, don't use anything for first 2 weeks. Only once a week. Okay, how you use, right? Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to use. First 2 weeks, how to use. Mix together 1 pump of this facial milk and retinol 0.5. 1 pump of 0.5 plus 1 pump of facial milk. Okay, for those with sensitive skin, put 2 pumps of milk. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you 1 pump. Okay, this is a lot already, you know. Like this is good enough for whole face, okay? Then 2 pumps. Okay, then mix together. Oopsie daisy. Mix together, and then don't do circular motion. No, pat. So problem area, pat. Problem area, just pat. So you see, that's why my hands are so smooth, you know, compared to here. I haven't used this one for many days. Can you see my hands very wrinkled? Can you see this is so nice? I tell you, if you want younger looking hands, you will love this one. This one really give me younger looking hands compared to here. See? Can you see a lot of wrinkles at the knuckle area, right? You see here? Smooth one. So you can see, that's why I really love this product. It really makes me look younger and younger. 真的是返老还童. Okay, alright, so this is how you use. And then you do patting motion. No circular. Patting motion. So I was using, yesterday I dare to use again. So I'm going to show you, right? Can you see when I frown, right? You see here more lines here? You see here the lines more relaxed. Can you believe it? Yeah, so you don't need to go Botox anymore, right? So this is my most frustrated period after 40 years old, right? I can see my lines are so obvious, but you see now with this one, right? Oh, you see here more obvious because I haven't used this one yet. I only use here because I want to see the difference between before and after. So I'm very happy. I don't need to think about Botox really. Alright, so can you see the difference? Oh my goodness, can you see this one, the wrinkle? Can you see this wrinkle? Ta-da! So this is my champion products, okay? I tell you, all of you will love it. Okay, so this is how you use it, right? First 2 weeks, this is how you use it. You mix it together. Alright, mix it together. Second and third week, okay, same thing. You can't use any okay, during these 8 weeks, right, you can't use any treatments, you can't use any gel masks, you can't use any exfoliation, you can't use any serums. All right, only moisturizer. This moisturizer, the facial milk moisturizer, plus sunscreen for day and night. Just use this one. and then go and sleep. Okay, you cannot do anything until 8 weeks later. Okay, so this is a really clinical, dermaclinical treatment. So you have to really hear what I'm doing, hear what I'm advising, okay? And then 你要听我的话，真的要听哦，跟你讲哦，不然的话我跟你讲，可是不会像其他的 brand 跟你讲会烧到皮肤，不会啦， but 我会跟你讲，你要仔细的听哦。You must really listen to this. Even 70-year-old 阿嬷 will also look like 50 or 40 years old, okay, I tell you. Okay, third week and fourth week, right, is you apply the retinol, you dab. 1 palm, just use the area that you want to improve, 1 palm. Okay, if you have pigmentation, put it on here. If you have laughing lines, put it on here. Okay, put it on here. And then if you want to have pigmentations, right, just put it on here. Just do dabbing motion, no circular motion. Okay, fine lines and wrinkles, dab. Okay, then use the facial milk whole face. Alright, facial milk, then you can do circular motion. Alright, so third week and fourth week, once a week also. Okay, fifth week and sixth week, twice a week. Layering as well. Retinol first, dab, then facial milk. Okay, so whole face, facial milk, whole face. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7 and 8 week can use up to twice a week. I recommend that you all do twice a week first, because you know why? Because this is your first time using our products, trying our products, right? So I recommend that you all use twice a week from 5, 6, 7, 8, twice a week. And then you do layering. So as I mentioned, 1 palm of this, but only do dabbing motion at your problem area. Like here, like for me, right, it's my here and my here, and a little bit of my pigmentation here and here. That's it. And then also my forehead lines. Okay, then must use this one whole face. So throughout the period, right, of 8 weeks, right, just use this one and day for sunscreen, and night then you use this one and go and sleep, the facial milk. Okay, right. And then I want to tell you something. Throughout the 8 weeks, right, when using our product 0.5, you can't use other products. Okay, only cleanser. Using our products if you can is better effect. All right, and then and then in the day use our sunscreen. Okay, so if you're using this one, you really must watch. Okay, so and then what I want to mention, okay, breastfeeding. If you're doing breastfeeding, if you are pregnant, ladies, you can't use until you gave birth. Hi, morning, Sharon. Okay, so so I want to tell you something. So you must take note, yeah. So take note, After 8 weeks, right, finish using, right, then we will introduce to you slowly what you can add in for your skincare routine. All right, so this one you really need to listen to us and understand the whole process. Don't anyhow use, okay? Because if not, don't accuse us of not telling you what to use. All right, so then after that, right, I want to tell you something is okay, what I want to tell you, okay, so those who cannot use, okay, after 8 weeks, right, I want you all to rest for 2 months, then you do it again if you want to. All right, to maintain. Okay, because I want you all to know this is a dermaclinical products, right? So that's why we always want to make sure that you are well taken care of. All right, so those who cannot use, right, are pregnant ladies, breastfeeding. If you're going through a surgery, you can't use. If you are what do you call it? If you're doing some peel on your skin already, you can't use. If you're going through like IPL laser, you can't use. Because it will take about 6 months to repair. So after 6 months, then you come back to us. All right. Yeah. So if you're doing any surgery on your body, right, you can't use. All right. So yeah. So this one, if you're healthy and you're not doing anything on your face like Botox, fillers, or laser or IPL, feel free to use this one and you will love it. Sharon, let me know, you can try. It will make you look younger. Okay, so from 70 years old you can look like 50 years old. All right, so yeah, so so let me repeat again. Yeah, first 2 weeks you need to dilute, right? So mix together, as I mentioned earlier. Mix together 1 pump of retinol 0.5 and 2 pumps of milk. Mix together and then do dabbing motion on your problem areas. All right, you can do whole face, you can just do dabbing motion, no circular motion. All right, then in that first 2 weeks, right, you're using it, right? Always only use the facial milk as a moisturizer and sunscreen for day and night. Just use this one as a moisturizer, don't use anything. All right, then after that, 3rd and 4th week, you can do layering. That means this one, 1 pump, problem area, any area that you want to lighten, pigmentation, you want to yes, blackheads, forgot to mention. I have strawberry blackheads for many years, and this one saved my life. It really helps me to get rid of my blackheads. I don't even need to squeeze. Bye to squeezing. Okay, so no need to squeeze anymore. And because when you squeeze, right, you also irritate the epidermis area and don't know how hurt that you have actually hurt your skin. So when you're doing this one, right, you apply on your nose area. Oh, I super love it. So if you know anyone who has strawberry nose like me, recommend them to me. All right, so I will serve them. They will love it also, because when you put foundation, it's so pretty after that. Okay, so 3rd and 4th week layering. This one first, 1 pump pad area, no circular pad. 1 pump whole face or 2 pumps whole face, up to you. All right, because I super love this one. This one has glycerin, squalene. It's very moisturizing, hydrating and repairing. All right, so if you feel that you are lack of hydration, you can add this one inside your routine. This one you can use it at any face. All right, then so 5th and 6th weeks twice a week, 7 and 8 weeks also twice a week, I recommend. Okay, all right, and then if you find that it's okay, you want to do 3 times a week, you can. 7 8 weeks, 3 times a week, you can. All right, but remember I mentioned earlier, for 8 weeks, right, you can't use any other products, gel, serum, as in gel mask, serum, vitamin C, exfoliation, microdermabrasion, radiance field. No, for 8 weeks you can't use anything except for this one. Okay, all right, so I hope that you love this video. Let me see what else have I not answered questions. Right, can the products be shared among 2 users in the same family? Yes, you can use the products among 2 users in the family, no problem. Once a week, then followed by twice a week. Okay, this one I already mentioned. All right, apply directly after cleanse or still need moisturizer. Okay, this one is actually a moisturizer already. Actually, it's an added moisturizer. It helps to calm down your skin and repair your skin. After 7 and 8 weeks, right, you can use, after 7 8 weeks later, then you can use moisturizer with this one if you want to, as an added moisturizer. Okay, so I recommend that you rest for 2 months, then you do all over again. Yeah, this is to slowly introduce your skin into using retinol 0.5. All right, so any questions, just DM me for information. After 8 weeks, right, we actually have these steps that you can follow, right? So we'll give it to you, and then you'll be monitored by us very closely. All right, so don't worry about it. And yeah, so I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.